Georgia, South Central Greene County in East Central Georgia, Northeastern Jasper County in Central Georgia, Southeastern Newton County in North Central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Newborn, or 11 miles southeast of Covington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eatonton, Madison, Newborn, Mansfield, Shady Dale, Phoenix, Rock Eagle 4-H Center, Central Georgia Experiment St. Farrar, Parks Mill, Harmony, and Godfrey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg.